Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I saw this logo somewhere and I thought that would be so cool to draw because basically it's two shapes with a black background. And here's your two shapes. I'm going to take a square holding on the control button and I'm going to hit P, put it in center of page. I'm going to grab my shape tool and I'm going to bring in the corners. Then I'm going to start with my rectangle tool. I'm going to start on that edge and then go up. And if you look, that's on that edge because I started on that edge. Now I need to round this off, and there's two ways you could do it. You could hold down the control button and just, mine is still set for that, and round these off, or you could use your rounding of because it's a box, you could, let's just back up here and I'll just show you. With your ratio unlocked, you could go 2.5. Man, I got to figure out how to 2.5 to set that on a rounded and not, it's trying to go back to skewed. But then just take a 2-point line, and I'm going to make it a little bit thinner this time, and go like from somewhere in there, just out here, and then go below this, not too far, and kind of go like that. Now take your one cut with the virtual segment delete key. Now let's group this together so we can get out of the way in a second. And let's use a different color this time. And look at that. Now we nudge that out of the way. And you get, it kind of looks like a curl of a paper logo. And you can change the color if you hold down the control button and add a little light blue to it. It'll get a little lighter. And then it looks good enough in white, but look at it on black. Maybe black's not the best. Purple, nah. I think either on this particular case, I think just the white showing through looks the best. But it's kind of funny because the object you've created is not the object you created. Anyway, I hope that makes sense. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.